Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm honestly so excited to be finally filming this. This has been on my list for the longest time. Starting a YouTube channel was on my 2026 vision board, and the fact that I'm finally doing it feels unreal. I just kept overthinking and procrastinating about it, but today I was like, Mm-mm, I'm gonna shoot it today. And I thought, what better way to begin than a simple get to know me video? So I've picked 15 basic questions which will help you know me better. Let's get into it. So the first question is very basic. What's your full name and what do people call you? My name is Vaishnavi Kondavar. My friends call me Vesh sometimes. Only a few of my friends call me that. And my parents call me Manu because I'm a Maharashtrian and घरी असं लाडानी बोलत असतात Manu, Pillu. So the next question is, where are you from? I have been born and brought up in Nagpur. I've lived here for 18 years of my life and I love this city from the core. How old are you? I'm 23 years old. I turned 23 on October 24th. I'm a Scorpio and I have complete traits of a Scorpio. What college did you go to? I get this a lot because so many girls want to go to that college एंड मैं हमेशा सबको टेड टॉक देते रहती हूँ अबाउट एंट्रेंस कैसे क्लियर करना ये कैसे करना वो कैसे करना सो आई वेंट टू निफ्ट कोलकाता आई स्टडीड लेदर डिजाइन ओवर देयर इट्स अ 4 year course so I was in Kolkata for 4 years. What did you study in college? Like I told you, I'm a leather design student. I'm a leather designer. We learn how to make bags, shoes, and a lot of interesting things. If you want a detailed video about that, I'm going to do that. What do you do for a living? So I graduated in 2023. I did not take up any jobs after that because internship के टाइम पे मुझे समझ गया था कि मैं जॉब नहीं कर सकती तो मुझे पता था कि मुझे जॉब नहीं करना है so I had started content creation when I was in fourth year. I think roughly I was in fourth year when I started properly. तो तब से I had an idea कि if I do this seriously, I can do this as a profession. तो I create content on Instagram for a living. My favorite question, one beauty product you can't live without is a lip liner. I love lip liners. I have 100 lip liners. This is the oldest lip liner that I own, and every single day I use that. My love for lip liners is never ending. What's your favorite color? I mean, isn't it obvious? It's pink. Literally everything around me is pink. Everything. When I say everything, everything is pink. Describe yourself in 3 words. 3 words honestly मेरे लिए बहुत कम है because I'm a full package. आपको धीरे धीरे समझ आएगा. But if you want 3 words, I would say I'm very creative, very ambitious, very driven, passionate, outgoing, social, इमोशनल एंड आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी सेंसिटिव. बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें मुझे बहुत ज्यादा बॉदर कर देती है लाइफ में. दिस इज वन थिंग दैट आई ऑल्सो वांट टू चेंज अबाउट माई सेल्फ बिकॉज being sensitive is not going to take you anywhere. This world is very harsh. What are your hobbies apart from work? I have zillion hobbies. Like if you want to play badminton, I'm up for it. If you want to play pool, I'm up for it. Swimming, yes. Bowling, yes. Cafe hopping, yes. Everything. I have a zillion hobbies, and I think that's what keeps me motivated. When you are a freelancer, you don't have a routine. You have to keep yourself motivated every single day कि आप उठो और आप कुछ करो जब आपके पास काम नहीं है. तो आई एम दैट पर्सन जिसको हर चीज करनी होती है. आई एम अ वेरी लाइक enthusiastic person. Something you're proud of yourself for. I would sound very weird saying this, but I am proud of myself for a lot of things. But first and the most important thing has to be being financially independent. I have been financially independent since I was 21, and I am super proud of myself for that because a lot of people won't understand this. बहुत लोगों को लगता है कंटेंट क्रिएशन इज अ जोक एंड इट डजंट टेक अप अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम और एफर्ट बट इट डज. एक ऑडियंस बनाना, एक एंगेजमेंट हिट करना इज a very difficult task. Hamesha you have to be at it and it takes up a lot of time and effort. So since the age of 21 I've been financially independent and I think वो एक चीज है जिससे मैं बहुत ज्यादा proud हूँ खुद से. How did you get into content creation? This is one question that I get asked a lot because now this industry is booming. When I started, it was nothing. So I was in a fashion school and we used to go to college all dressed up, good clothes, very fashionable, Gen Z core. So I used to take videos of my fits and I used to post that. I was not hoping on any return on investment for the videos, but soon I hit 10K and that's how I got into content creation. That's it for the video. I hope you guys liked it and I hope कि आप थोड़ा सा और मुझे जानने लगे हो. I'm very new here, तो आप प्लीज कमेंट करके बताओ किस टाइप के वीडियोस आप देखना पसंद करेंगे. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, do all of that. Bye, love you. See you in the next one.